This is Xiaomi Redmi 13R, and today I'll show you can copy your contacts from SIM card to device storage on this phone. So first you will need to find and launch the Contacts app. Here select the Fix and Manage section, then tap at the Manage SIM option. Select the SIM cards you would like to copy your contacts from. Now select the contacts you would like to move and migrate. Then here at the Save To section, make sure to select the device memory or just device, and then tap at the Import button. Now decide if you would like to copy those contacts or completely migrate them, which means that if you were to migrate your contacts, they will be deleted in the previous place they were stored in and moved to a new storage. In our case, they will be erased from SIM card and be only saved on your device's storage here. Or you can also choose your Google account if you like to import or export your contacts to Google account rather than device storage. Anyway, do that, and here you have it. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.